aalis ulit tayo guys today dahil si Mr. ay follow-up check niya sa kanyang hearing aid. And sabi ko kay Mr. dalhin na namin yung kanyang lumang hearing aid para ma-reprogram. Kasi ito try daw yun. So ayan, naiwan yung salamin.
I put it down to pick the camera up. And then because you met me at the door and I took the stuff off you, I never went back to the table.
Ah, someone is so happy but she feels cold. Look at that, she's turning pink. We're here again. It's so cold. So we're going to Mr.'s hearing aid appointment again. Just to check if you were okay and happy with it, isn't it? Ang lamig guys. Mali ako ng coat. Magdala-dala. I'm gonna change coat when we get home. So we have to go back. Malimutan din niya ang pram. Is it warm? It's cold also there? Whew, lamig. You careful. So wala ding baby carrier. Kaya ang baby buhat-buhat. Ito yung park guys na. Ganito ang itsura ng park. Na binidyo ko nung nakaraan. Ay! Pag daytime. So, ganyan ang itsura. It's nice. I almost dead.
He would have just failed his test there.
I almost hit there.
Yeah. He shouldn't have done that.
I almost died there. Did not.
He wasn't looking. He should have seen us and not done what he did.
Yeah. So, ay, mag-ama. Buhat-buhat. You careful with that little one. Are we close? Ang hirap paglakad dito pataas. Malapit na tayo taas. Yeah. May na ulit ako mag-vlog guys. Nakakangawit. Kakahapo. You happy? Hello? Hello? Oh no. We're home na guys. Magluluto muna si Mr. ng pizza for lunch. And kung hindi nakalimutan yung pram, diretso na sana kami sa Manchester. Kaso nalimutan niya. So let's go to the kitchen. Tana sa kitchen guys. Ang kalat na naman namin.
Once 20 minutes when it gets to 180. Be careful of the crust.
It's nice. So strong. And dark. Tastes like McDonald's coffee. Alis na ulit tayo guys. Ang kalat namin. So punta na kami ng Manchester. Nakabili kami ng bagong soft toy guys. Jaran! Sa Boots kanina nung nagpa-hearing aid si Mr. Dali. Uy! Pinapili namin siya kung unicorn or ito. Ito gusto niya. Inaabot niya agad. Lablab mo na yan. Hello? No, really. Hello, the ice is so big. Huh? Yeah, KN.
We're leaving her in a suit. We're taking it off.
No, leave her there. Stop is smiling. Okay. That's it? Hi! Hi! Maraming toys pala dito. Dito kami pumasok sa loob ng John Lewis. Ay, may Minnie Mouse. Ang cute. May silang toys pala dito. Nakakuha agad ako sa boots ng bunny. But they're nice. How much? 12. Lamig. Ito 7 pound lang. Oh, Elsa is 12 pound. Parang binilhan ko yung ganito yung aking anak before. She likes. She watching. What is it? Uno? Come on.
What's the elephant do?
I think Laura gave her a shoes like this. Almost not really like this. Converse. She have lots of Converse too. Look at her. Kahit dito sa loob, guys, medyo malamig. Naiwan, nahanap ko eh. Hello. Give me that. Oh no.
Go John Lewis.
So, yan lang ang ating pinunta, guys. Earpods. So, I earpods for 179. Mahal talaga. Wala silang sample. Ano natin? Display only. 179. Hi! Yeah, thank you. Michaela.
Try the AirPods Pro, is that right?
Yeah.
So I brought over both versions of it. These are the £129 ones, and then if you want, you can get active noise cancellation. They look exactly the same, but they just block the,
The noise. Yeah.
Which ones would you like to try first?
One to try. Let me see this first. They have the same build. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah,
they
they're
look
the same.
identical. Those ones have active noise
Just the
cancellation.
active noise cancellation.
They
So,
also have a speaker in the case so that you can find it if it gets missing. Like, it plays a noise.
oh, I want to try this one first.
Yeah, go for it. I'll choose something a bit better than Oasis for you.
Look at that face.
He's not sure about
So
me.
curious.
So
New
adorable.
face, isn't it? I'll try this one.
Yeah, go for it. Try those. I think these are really, really good to have, especially if you travel a lot.
Oh, yeah. I can hear the background noise now. It's so nice.
I'm playing as well.
Yeah.
So I've turned mine down. So when I'm there,
Yeah.
Ah, ang laki ng difference niya. Yes, you're not gonna hear anything. So that's really good for 50 difference. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they are incredible.
Yeah, my first thought is this because I thought I'm not gonna need that, noise cancellation. But when I tried, yes, it's absolutely good. But I can notice that this one is not too loud.
The beauty
So
of the noise one
they're
is
fighting.
using on the plane
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
or in the car.
Yeah, yes, in the car is so noisy, the
Yeah,
vibrations.
that's true. And you can, like, for safety reasons, you can always switch into transparency mode. So if you're like crossing the street,
Yeah.
also when you start talking,
Yeah.
it will turn on transparency mode and lower the volume so you can hear
Okay.
yourself and others. Which is really
That's nice. Oh, maybe it's the same as yours, isn't it? Yeah. That's so good.
They're a bit cheaper than mine.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh my God, yours is.
Because it's very noisy.
It's so noisy. Oh, try this. I want you to try this.
I know what they're like because of my headphones.
Oh really?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I want to unbox it here. Hindi na makaantay.
Want to unbox it here?
Yeah, I want to unbox it here. So, just in here. Because I have a mic, so it's fine. Do I have noise cancellation? Yeah, it is green. So, I'm gonna open it. Sobrang ganda ng difference, guys, between the 129 pound. This is 179 pound, isn't it? So, they have a big difference and it's really nice. Tadan! So, wala siyang charger pala ng kasama. There's no charger. So, I have to use my charger from my iPhone.
Yeah, I can't see.
So, ayan guys. Hindi ko na pina-engrave kasi medyo matatagalan pag pina-engrave ko pa. So, let's try it on my phone. Try natin siya, guys.
Only because it's a tiny little battery. When it goes cold, it's like having a little.
Ang liit pala nito. It's so small. Listening to the man. Nag-uusisa ang ating baby. Do you have app?
Must have because he did something, didn't he?
No, he didn't. He just played the music. The man. Good.
So if I speak, it should change.
Yeah.
And then it should change back again.
Yeah. It's gone. Like, just like that.
Happy birthday. Kiss.
Thank you. Oh, it's noisy. That's loud. They're really loud. Yes, wait a moment. Wait. Come. Yeah, you're biting yourself and then you cried, isn't it? Ay, gutom na nga. Just so hungry. Oh, she stopped because you play hard. Ang cute ng cakes nila, guys. Ang mamahal lang. Oh, sobra. Ito ang cute. Cookies? Are they cookies? Sandwich. Cute nito, guys. What do you call that?
Paddington Bear.
Paddington in Peru. Paddington Bear. Ang mahal, 25 pa. Mamamatay talaga ako, guys, sa pabango. Hindi ako makahinga. Pag sobrang bango, ang sakit ng ulo ko, grabe. Titingin si Mr. ng perfume.
That's a different one. I've not tried. Oh, the toilet.
Yeah, you're the toilet.
The other one was perfume.
You're the perfume. Bango na, guys. Chanel. No price. Ask the lady.
So 100 ml is 118, and 150 is 143. So it's always a better buy.
Yeah,
150.
cost me about 5 years.
Yeah.
It's
So
lovely.
cute. She's busy biting her fingers. She's smiling.
Oh, good.
She's a smiler.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Yeah, plain face.
She weighs up the person.
Oh, just say, oh, I'm okay then. Are you saving me today?
So we were in the apple shop and she was looking at a man and she would not smile at the shop.
Just looking, even the smile is so laughing.
My mum has taught you well.
We're going home. Napakadaming tao sa food court. They're so crowded in the food court. You can't even walk.
I've got an headache from the smell.
See? I told you I'm not good with the perfume. I'm okay with the cheapest. As long as I can breathe with it. So, kwentong earpods tayo, guys. Sabi ko kay Mr. May in-add to cart ako. Gusto kong earphone sa Amazon, 50 pound. So, katulad siya nung dati ko, Defunk. Kaso, sabi ni Mr., ito na lang daw, yung tunay na earpods. Sabi ko, ang mahal. So, bali dalawa to. AirPods 4 yata ito. So, yung isa, walang noise cancellation. Yun na lang sana, 129 pounds. Pero ito yung gusto ni Mr. 179. And nung natry ko nga, ang ganda nga niya. Talagang nasa-shutdown yung ingay sa paligid. So, 179. 50 pound more than dun sa cheapest na 129. Pero parang worth it naman siya for 179. Tingnan natin tong free na bigay sa pabango. Ano to? Cream. Cream. I think this is a hand cream. So, she gave you a hand cream, mister? 2 hand cream.
I knew she'd given something.
It's cute. Is it a hand
I'm
cream?
going to have that pig that I wanted to have earlier.
Hindi na kaihi. Ang cute, napakaliit ng kanyang anong tawag dito? Tube. Sample siguro to. Ito pa isa. Bali, dalawa. Cream Richie. Revitalizing cream. Parang sa face yata to. Facial cream. Sa face pala siya. Akala ko sa kamay. Revitalizing and smooth face. It's for the face. I thought it's only for the hand. Saan natin itong perfume ni Mr. Hi! Unboxing, not mine. Oh, that's good now. Which one the other one? Yeah, I like this. Is that this one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ang bango.
Because it mellows off.
It's so nice na. Gonna try na, so you smells good.
When it's really mixed in with me.
Remind the man that I met in Singapore.
Yeah.
How to do it. Oh, there. Bango.
Okay.
Bango, guys.
To wait while that.
Where's the other freebies? Meron pang other free, guys, na bigay si ate. Ng Chanel.
Drag yourself forward. Look.
Yeah. Akala ko nalaglag. Oh, it's so cute. Keychain. What is it? Snowflakes made by Chanel logo.
Only a bit of aluminium, probably.
Yeah. This is nice. I'm gonna put it on my AirPod case. Pag dumating na, order tayo ng AirPod case. So, hindi na kami kumain doon at napaka-crowded. Ito lang talaga ang ating sinadya. So, nalagasan si Mr. ng the perfume is 114, sabi niya. And then the earpods is 179. Ang mahal. Kaya ayoko sana nito ang mahal Yung 50 pound lang sana, okay na ako. Papakita ko sa inyo guys, yung gusto ko sana. Here, 58 na siya. Here only. Sample. I can see. Yun lang sana, 58 pounds na siya. White din. It's nice din. Okay. Ay, we're happy home. Ang bata ay napagod. Tuwang-tuwa. Hello! You're really moving fast now. So, may pahabol pa guys na unboxing tayo tonight. Dahil dumating itong ating steamer blender para sa ating baby food. Excited kami ni Mr. Magsi 6 months na kasi talaga ang ating baby and excited na kami. Siya ay kumain ng solid foods. So, ganito pala yan siya, Steam. Tapos, pwede ding blend, defrost, and reheat. Tapos, nai-sterilize na siya. So, bali, 70 pound lang yata to. Yung una naming tiningnan, mahal. Parang 140. Nakita to ni Mr. Tapos, may nakalagay na sterilize. Kaya, ito na lang. Tapos, medyo mura pa, diba? Yung una namin nakita kasi, Philips Avent. Pang baby talagang brand. Sabi ko kay Mr. Ito ay okay na din. Mura pa. Tapos, parang ganun din naman ang purpose, diba? So, pag open natin, ito pala siya. So, ayan. Malaki din pala. Akala ko maliit lang. Ito na ang itsura niya, guys. Ito pa, may kasama pa dito sa loob. So, meron siyang ganito. Parang scraper siguro to. Sa loob. So, wala nang laman. Natin tong box. Tingnan natin guys ang manual. Ganun nga. Nilalagyan siya ng tubig din. Ito nang pakainin ng baby. Buksan natin. Naka-plastic lang naman siya. Tapos naka-tape. Pagpadikit naman itong tape na to. Piting ko na lang. So, ayan. Ganito itsura niya, guys. Pagbukas natin yan. Dito nilalagyan ng tubig sa ilalim. Nabubuksan. Tigas. Hindi ko mabuksan na naman. So, ayan. Dito nilalagyan ng tubig. Para mas steam. So, excited na ako sa ating mga susunod na vlogs. Kanyang food. So, ipapatry ko na to sa kanya. Siguro bukas. Kasi punta kami ng supermarket para bumili ng ibang stocks. So, ito ang kanyang controller. Mga button. So, ganyan siya. Ang brand niya ay Ana Baby. So, okay na din. Not bad. Yung una kasi namin tinignan, order niya na sana. Mahal. 140 talaga yun. Doble ang gastos ni Mr. ngayon. Umorder sa Amazon. Bumili ng AirPods. So, hanggang dito na lang guys muna ang ating vlog today. Thank you so much sa lahat ng ating bagong subscribers tsaka sa mga nanonood.